everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Rhiannon and today I'm going to teach you how to do this look. It's just like my basic everyday makeup routine. Hopefully you'll be able to follow along while you're doing your makeup too, because that's what I like to do. Right. I'm going to try and keep this like really easy and quick and not waffle on too much. So to start, I'm going to use a Nivea anti-aging moisturizer, and then I'm going to use this, which is just like a basic cheap Rimmel primer. Alright, this is my foundation I'm using at the minute. I use this brush, like it's like a little flat brush. It's quicker than using a beauty blender, and this particular foundation is quite nice with the brush, so I can like push it in around this like super textured area. Try and hide those pores. Once I've applied my foundation, I'm just going to put on a little bit of concealer, and again I'm just going to use my pen. I'm just going to put a little bit. With the same brush, just going to press that into the skin. Then I just go like down the center of my nose, my forehead, chin. Next, I use this Benefit Dallas. It's old, so old. And I use the brush it comes with. I just put a little bit on. So from the top of my ear, straight down this line here, just go and then stop around like here. Okay, so I'm just like really messily putting it on my cheek a tiny bit, on my nose, and then around here, and then I like under your jawline, under the... Okay, sweet. And now powder I use, it's the Laura Mercier translucent powder. It should be powder brush, just load them, and then I start underneath my eyes. I just pack that under the eye because I got bags, and then yeah, just like start blending that out. Celebrate the neck. Okay, now I'm going to use the MAC. I don't know what colour it is because I've had this for so long I can't see the bottom. I think it's gingerly. And then you work your way down to the... Getting this product on. And all the way around. And touch on my nose. Okay, now I'm just going to put on a little bit of blush. I'm going to just use the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Parley. And I'm going to use this like peachy colour here, like a tiny bit. Just going to go back over the top of that with the same powder brush. Just to like blend it out a little bit in the face, I think. And then I'm going to use the same palette, and I'm going to use this like gold highlighter here. And I use this special highlighting brush. And then just really like work that into that. Under your eyebrow. And then in the middle of your eyes, and then on the tip of your nose. I use a slightly lighter highlighter for the tip of my nose, straight down the middle, and then I do put a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my chin, and on the top lip. Okay, and we've done the face pretty much. I might just blend into that highlight a bit. Okay, now for my eyebrows, I use the Benefit Eyebrow. Put a little bit on the brush that it comes with. Just straight down that top line to just carry it on a little bit. Just like filling it in a little bit. And then meet up at the middle. And then straight across this like bottom line, just makes it look a little bolder. Okay, I'm just gonna do the other one off camera. This eyebrow's going a lot better than this eyebrow, so we're gonna do it on camera so you can see it a little better. Like, how infuriating that you always have like one Aldi eyebrow and then one like Gucci eyebrow. And then I use an eyebrow brush and just go in and clean up. Okay, for eyebrow gel I use this. I just did that upside down. Okay, oh for fuck's sake. For eyebrow gel I use this. So I just let this dry. Okay, I'm using this palette because it's my favourite palette, isn't it? The colours are very nice. It was cheap. Alright, so I'm going to use this like light brown. No, I'm not. I'm going to use this light brown. I've already put some brush. Okay, I'm going to use this like proper light brown. Bang it on your head. So I put it just on my crease. Just above the crease, and then like go messily into this like shadowed area. Just messy under my eyes as well. If you haven't seen the video of the guy, I can't remember his name, who gave Katie Hopkins a fake award in Prague. Please watch that on YouTube because it's absolutely incredible. It felt a bit like she was being bullied, but then she makes this speech in it and I hate you, Katie Hopkins, I hate you. And then I just use my eyelash curlers. Ow. Okay, a little bit. If you try and put it in like the top half of the lashes, rather than the bottom. So then I used another of the same product but with less in like an older mascara and just clean that up. For my lips I'm going to show you what I'm going to use and then I'm going to explain what happened to them. So this is my LA Girl Precision lip liner in Sugar and Spice. And then I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, I'm gonna use the Dose of Colours in Knock on Wood. Okay, so I'm gonna line first with this. I was going to London the other day and I was going to the train station. I picked the worst stage to tell this story. So yeah, I hear this noise and I turn around and my little baby makeup bag's laying on the road. I'm like, oh shit, what are you doing there? And then as I go to pick it up, a car rides straight over the top of it and I was absolutely devastated. The only thing I'm thinking is I've got to do a photo shoot for like 5 hours and if I end up looking like Jodie Marsh because I've not got anything to fill in my lipstick with, I'm going to look like a right tosser. We were fine. We were so fine. The only thing that broke was this and then I can't close my Dose of Colours. That's it. I think we did pretty well. So yeah, right. So the bottom, I don't overline, but then the top. So like that. No, not like that. And then I'm gonna use my smashed Dose of Colours. Okay, and then the last thing I do is put in a few freckles. Where should I put them? Like, pat them down. I use the Urban Decay. Oh, this got smashed too. This got squished. Like, this one was just squished at the bottom. Okay, and then, yeah, tea, that setting spray. Save the face. Okay, and I've done. I hope that was quick. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment, say hello to me on Instagram, and just give me any attention that you want. It's great. I love it. But yeah. Okay, so I'll just... Oh shit.